Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or bag? The UGREEN FineTrack Smart Finder helps you find your essentials with Apple's Find My network, a loud built-in alarm, and a compact design that's easy to carry every day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the UGREEN FineTrack Smart Finder with a pre-installed battery, a battery compartment opening pin, and a user manual to help you get set up in just a few minutes. Product overview. How to pair. Pull out the plastic insulator on the back to activate the device. FineTrack will automatically enter pairing mode. On your iPhone, open the Find My app and tap on the Items tab. Select Add Item, then Other Supported Item. Once your iPhone detects FineTrack, tap Connect. Name the device, for example, keys, luggage, or backpack, for easy tracking. Once named, tap Done. The tracker is now linked to your Apple ID and will appear in the Find My app, showing location, battery level, and more. How to unpair. Keep the Smart Finder near your phone and open the Find Hub app. Tap the settings icon, then select Remove from Find My device. Tap Remove to confirm. Once completed, the Smart Finder will be successfully unpaired and ready to be paired again if needed. How to reset. Make sure the Smart Finder is turned on. Quickly press the button 5 times until you hear 3 beeps, then press and hold the button for 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. The reset is now complete and the Smart Finder is ready to pair again. How to charge. Connect the Smart Finder to a USB power source using the included charging cable. The LED glows solid red while charging and changes to solid white when fully charged. You can also check the battery level in the companion app. Open the battery compartment using the included opening pin or a suitable tool. Remove the old battery, insert a new CR2032 coin cell battery with the correct polarity, then close the cover securely. The Smart Finder is ready to use immediately. Smart features. The UGREEN FineTrack Smart Finder works seamlessly with Apple's Find My network, allowing you to locate your belongings using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Pairing is quick and lets you track your items directly from the Find My app. With the power of Apple's global Find My network, the Smart Finder can help locate your lost item even when it's far away. Nearby Apple devices securely and anonymously update its location, making it easier to recover misplaced belongings. Receive instant notifications on your Apple device if you accidentally leave your tagged item behind. This smart feature helps prevent loss and gives you peace of mind while you're on the move. Depending on the model, the Smart Finder features either a rechargeable battery or a replaceable CR2032 battery for dependable, long-lasting performance. This ensures reliable tracking with minimal maintenance and fewer interruptions. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.